I think that's it, then we're going to raise some money. Are we good with that? Why not? Who? Inshallah, we also have Mahese! But, now guys, I need your undivided attention to start the show off tonight. These are two young, beautiful children whose background is from Syria. They're only 7 and 5 years old. Oh. No, come on. Oh. Okay. Please welcome to the stage. And you need to give them your ear undivided. Hanan and Ali. Come on. Give them a round of applause. Come on.
Begin to fade. As I look around, I sigh and think we could at least give peace a try. Peace is a world where fear is no more. Peace is a boat that will finally reach the shore. Peace is the waves at sea. Peace must begin with you and me.
You know what they say, never work with children. Hanan and Ali! Yes! Thank you, well done. Jazakallah khair. Come on then, you guys can go off stage. Give them a round of applause, please.